Hi and welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your recipe on Food Label Maker. Here's how you can set up your recipe in a few simple steps. Start by entering the recipe name, recipe category, the number of packages it makes, and the number of servings. In this example, I'm creating a batch of brownies that serves 12 people. Since the entire batch is packaged together, my number of packages is 1, and my number of servings is 12. If your recipe is a liquid, go to Advanced Setup and toggle On under the Liquid option. You can also choose to display your recipe in percentages by toggling the option at the bottom that says Input Recipe Ingredients in %. Next, move on to the Recipe Builder section, where you will be adding your ingredients, amounts, units, and other intricate details. By default, you'll see 4 columns: waste, grams, percentage, and calories. You can choose which columns you'd like to display by clicking on the Show button. Scroll through and you'll see all the standard components, vitamins, and minerals you can display in your recipe builder. If you'd like a specific component displayed, simply tick it and it will appear on your builder. This feature is particularly useful if you'd like a clear view of the amount of vitamins and minerals in your recipe for clearer formulation. Now you can start adding your ingredients. Simply type in your first ingredient and you'll notice that our algorithm automatically suggests the most suitable ingredient options for you. Our software searches through over 500,000 verified ingredients, including the USDA database. As you enter the ingredient amount, unit, and waste percentage, the nutrition facts panel displayed on the right side of your screen updates instantly. Continue adding your second and third ingredients in the same way. Once your recipe is complete, click Save. If you're unsure about the recommended serving size, use our Regulatory Intelligence Assistant AI bot RIA to help you determine the appropriate reference amount based on your market's guidelines. You'll see the recommended reference amount food, the recommended serving size according to FDA or CFIA guidelines, and the AI confidence level. You can then choose to replace your serving size with this recommendation, prompting your nutrition label to instantly update, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. Now that you've built your recipe, you can customize it. Click on the Customize Label tab, where you can change your label format. Open the Label Style tab, and you'll see label options for over 8 markets, including the US, Canada, Mexico, Europe, and more. Each market has specific label styles that you can choose from. For this example, we'll select the linear FDA label format. The suggested serving field is optional and is typically entered as a common household measure, such as 1 cup or 2 tablespoons. In this example, I'll enter 1 piece. You can also choose which nutrients to show or hide under the Show Hide Nutrients tab. The ones already selected are toggled on to be regulatory compliant for that market. As for any edits you would like to manually apply to the nutrition label, go to Manual Label Override. The changes will be automatically updated and there will be a disclaimer that the label has been manually overridden. This feature allows you to have full flexibility for making final adjustments to your label. Click Save again. You'll notice there are several additional tabs available. For example, you can edit your ingredient list directly from this section. You can also edit your allergen information. You can also add your business name and address under the Label Extra Info tab. Press Save to view the changes at the bottom of the label. Once you're finished, click Download to generate a high-resolution image of your completed nutrition label. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more details on any specific features we spoke about today, check out our other video tutorials.